Hi, I'm Logan Campbell, and I just heard about core.typed being ready for production. I'm working on a Clojure project with a bunch of guys who like type systems. And so I wanted to have a crack at trying this stuff out to see whether we might actually be able to use it in production. So I don't have any new experience with core.typed before, and I just wanted to record my experience of learning how to use it and whatnot. So a new project. So I'm not sure if you actually need the dependency from this repository, but let's chuck it in to be safe. Okay, so I thought I'd start out just by jumping into the REPL and seeing whether I can trigger some type checking. So I've opened up all of the links he had. So this, I've kind of skimmed through it, but I haven't really read any of this stuff in much detail. So, what's this? No, there's a whole bunch of things in there. Typed, async, typed whole. So I want to find some kind of thing that tells me whether a function is typed or not. Takes a form and an optional expected type and returns a human readable inferred type for that form. Yeah, okay, whatever, that sounds interesting. So what namespace is that in? Clojure.core.typed, I guess. Gradual typing. 021. 021. I thought I just installed 0. Well, whatever. Okay, so can I use this? Cool. So is it CF? Yeah. So, CF1. Huh. Oh, so I wonder if this is going through and loading up some kind of library of type annotations for the core of Clojure. Or something. Value 1, then TT else FF. Okay. I guess it's true that 1 is a value. I expected to see integer here somewhere. Okay, so what if I say this should be java.lang.string? It says string. Yeah, okay. Integer? Oh, is that even a thing? Yeah, that's a thing. Dot class 1. Class 1. Oh, long. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I guess this is telling me it's of the wrong type. Type error, user 11, type mismatch. Expected integer, actual value stuff. Why is it telling me the same thing 3 times? Found 3 errors. Why? Surely that's only 1 error. What if I say 1? What? I thought that was a long. Okay, so I guess it's good enough. Right, okay. So what about a function? So inc1, that probably has some type of thing, right? So inc is any integer to any integer, number to number. Does that mean it has both of those type signatures? So I guess I've got some Haskell experience, so I'm guessing it uses that same kind of syntax. Yeah, so this is that fn thing. Multiple arities, we can specify multiple arities. We call a function of this type with either one or two arguments. But that's just, yeah, that's one argument both times. Finer invariance can be expressed by specifying multiple arities of the same arity. I think maybe arity doesn't mean what I thought it meant. If you can have multiple that are the same. Oh. Okay, that's cool. Good, okay. Well, okay, so what if I define a function, my inc, which takes a number and inks it. Right. Oh, defn. Okay, so now cf my inc unannotated. Oh. Oh, okay. I thought it had type inferencing. CF takes a form and an optional expected type and returns a human readable inferred type for that form. It's a macro. Oh. So if I do cf println foo, oh, it printed foo. Oh, I thought it might type check it without evaluating it. Oh, okay. So what do I want? I want to be able to annotate a function. I guess an is annotate, right? Annotate varsim with type. Varsim symbol, I guess? Var. Okay. If unqualified, qualify it in the current namespace. If varsim has metadata, no check true. Ignore definitions of varsim while type checking. What does it mean to ignore a definition of a thing? Annotate the var foo in this namespace. Yeah. Annotate a var in another namespace. Does it have to exist? Okay, so whatever. Number to number, that's reasonable for my thing. So my inc. Okay. Type checker found one error. Oh wait, what? Core.typed internal bug. Delayed error without line number, nil. With env nil type error unannotated var user my inc. Fuck. So I saw in some source files in the example the annotations came before the definition, so maybe, so I thought that would work, maybe, but it didn't. Okay, so maybe the REPL's a bad environment for this, so let's quit out of that. Open up a REPL in the background and jump into a core file. Right, so my ink, oh god, and ink and then use closure.core.typed, right? Closure core typed, yep, cool. So, and my ink was number to number. It'd be cool if there was like def nt, then you could just be like, I don't know, like number or something, and then like my ink number. I don't know, that probably means something else, but whatever. I guess it's only 2 tokens that don't need to be there. So wait, let's just comment that out for the moment, because if I try and evaluate this this namespace and it errors, then that can cause some problems for me. So nil, yeah, that's fine. And then unable to resolve. Oh, yeah, of course. Okay, so I've got my thing. So my ink. I've got Vim set up so that when I press the spacebar, it evaluates everything in this file in over here, right? And then it'll just print out everything at the bottom of the screen. So I'm looking at the bottom of the screen to see the results. So if I increment 1, yeah, it should display 2. And then if I CF, where did CF go? If I CF my ink, it'll take a couple of seconds. No, why? Oh, is it just the first time I've done it? But I required it earlier. Why is it so slow? Internal bug. Delayed error without line number nil. So that's the same shit. Okay. So for anyone watching, this is probably really frustrating, because I'm just going to skim down this stuff. I'm not much one for reading through everything. I find normally just looking at the code examples is a much better way. So I want to know whether I'm using CF correctly. Like, is that the appropriate thing? Because I just want it to tell me that my types all work. Ah, that was a thing right over here. That was like type check this namespace. Check NS. What does CF even mean? Check form, right? Right, okay, good. So if I replace this with just check NS, cannot overlay different core typed implementations. The fuck? This, So, because it's evaling the whole file, it does eval the namespace declaration over and over again. And no. Okay, so what's happening? Wait, what if I... So this is probably more to do with jank from my setup than anything else. Class not found exception typed closure test core. No, it's still giving me this overlay thing. Okay. So... Hey, I'm recording a screencast.
Huh?
Yeah. This means nothing to me. So it failed. Core nil. Current impl. What if I remove this?
Well, when you get as many juicy ladies in there as you do, Lizzie, that is right for watching. Right. So what did I show you? So sticking with it.
I'm stumped. How does he do it? Here. Oh, fuck. I don't even understand what that does. Maybe that's a simpler file. Types. What's that no check thing? How does he type check these namespaces? Typed deps. Fire.simulate. Check and app. Ah, wait, he pulls it in here. Does he use it anywhere? No. So why is it even included? Def alias. The hell? Mutable grid. Okay, so that's some type thing. Any and atom. Okay, so the things with capital letters are types. This is ways of annotating things. But I think I've done that right. That's checking, but both of these bug out. Wait, does that bug out? CF, my ink. Yeah, totally bugs out. Internal bug. Maybe. So I saw the documentation was using 021. So maybe I can pull this down. I'll just... Yeah. Okay, I guess I'm just getting ahead of myself there. 021. Maybe it's snapshot. Snapshot. Aha! Good O. Okay, so screen line REPL. So this will blow everything away again. And then just check NS. So I expect this to return true, I think. Oh! Oh, it can take a thing. Ah, maybe I'll just leave that for the moment. Yeah, okay, cool. So that didn't error out, and then I'll just take this over to the REPL. Use core.typed, and then check NS. Hey. Wait for a bit. Checked. Okay. It likes my namespace. What if I... Okay, so what if I change this to be wrong? So I say this is a string. Will it reload the namespace? Ah! That was really fast. Expected string, actual number. Hell yeah! Cool. So, can I run it from inside the namespace? No. Some bug. I wonder if that screwed up this. No, still good. Awesome. Oh. Okay, so what if I... What if I do some stuff? So what if I have some local variable, right? So I guess I'll assign a variable. So I'll have internal number, right? Which is going to be 1. So this should freak out because I'm gonna take this and add it to n. Right. So these types don't work, even though I guess plus in turn returns a number. So hopefully this should tell me it's wrong. Good. Cool. So is this readable? Start collecting types. Just collecting. That's a whole bunch of information I don't care about. Type error. 7, 5. 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Call 6, call 5. Okay, yeah, so I guess that expression is the one that's bad. Add could not be applied to arguments. Any int, arguments, number, and the value 1. Yeah, okay, whatever. Found one error. Cool. So what if I now take this and do inter jar parse int. So I guess the type checker probably doesn't know. Oh. What? Really? How does it know? CF integer parse int. What? Oh, go away. Paste. Static field parseInt. Guess because it's a function, right? So if I CF this... that's very clever. I wonder if it knows the types of all Java things. So what's something you definitely wouldn't have typed? Well, you probably wouldn't have typed that, would he? I don't know. It probably just gets it from the Java. What if I do dot println system out stuff? So this should be null, right? Can it call instance method println on type print stream? I think you'll find I can. Yeah. On type unil print stream. I guess that's just false. Oh, I think it's pretty cool that it can detect the type error inside my let. And yeah, I'm going to explore this further. Good work, Ambrose. Ambrose? I'm thinking of... Yeah, Ambrose. Good on you.